friends, today we are going to distribute the prizes of 2080 class toppers, 2080, those who stood first, second and third. And we have a different...
Namaste and how are you? I didn't hear you. How are you? Thank you so much. I'm one of the founding member of school, Bal Kalyanpuri. I came from America. I live in America, but I born in Terothum district, Acharai Chuhandara. Who knows where is Acharai Chuhandara? Can you raise your hand? Okay, you know that. Okay, at least you know. Okay. Chuhandara is Acharai is the Chuhandara district next to Pastor Irila. So you might be surprised what it is, the dress. I'm going to travel 100 countries in the world, 100 countries, and collect a poem about the love. What is love? In 4 lines. And what is love in 4, and where the love exists in 4 lines. If you are age of 15 and above, can you raise your hand? How many need 15 and above? 15? Nobody here, okay? Okay. Well, but when you become the 15, you can write the poem. And I'm gonna collect a poem from 1 million people. What is 1 million means? How many lakh in 1 million? Can you say? 10 lakh, there we go. 10 lakh, I'm gonna collect from 10 lakh, 1 million people poems. I don't know, in one sheet. Once I complete that poem, it will be one of the biggest book in the creation of the human. There is no such big book in the world or in the universe. Probably there is another planet, maybe there, but not in the earth. There is so big, huge book, but we cannot read the book. So we will make a book readable in probably once it is divided, it will be around like more than 600 volumes. Usually this big, so we can read, and it will be 600 volumes. So that will create a world record. What is called? Who knows what is the Guinness Book of World Record? Okay, and there is a big records in the world. So there is a many device topics you can break the world record. So it will be one of the big books, probably in one topics, probably in collecting book by walking, by meeting people. So many, probably 5-6 world record. So that I'm trying to do. So it will be very, very humble to be standing here, and thank you so much for Praveen sir for giving me this opportunity to express this my feeling. And it will be proud matter for this school. This will be proud matter for where I came from Acharai. It will be proud matter for this district Zappa. It will be proud matter for our nation Nepal. And it will be proud matter for the humanity. It doesn't matter who we are. We all belong to be a human. And then there's a lot of bad things going in the world. People are hating each other. People are killing each other. People are cheating each other. It's not a good thing. So I am trying to bring some change in the world with the different things, with the love matter, that we only love each other regardless of the nationality, regardless of our religion, regardless of our color, regardless of our gender. It doesn't matter. We are the one family in the world, the human. We only love. We have only one relation. That relation is love. Love means mother love children. We love nature. Teacher love students. Student love teacher. We love our school. We love our environment. We love our tree who give us oxygen. We love the sky who give us the water. We love the sun who give us the light. So there is a only relation between the love. We have to know what is the definition of love. So that's why I'm gonna collect the definition of love in 1 million pieces, and that I will establish library in research in Chuhandara Acharai. So for the people around the world will come there, and then it will help our country with the tourism. So probably since I'm the founder of this school, also during the trip I will try to do something for this school as well during the trip. This is one of the nice school because one of the founding principal Ram Sitola was the founding principal of this school, who was the greatest science teacher in Ghalduba school. So I also went there today and I told them that I will also help to build a science lab there. So down the road, I cannot promise exactly what needed for the school. So that I'll try to raise some money for my trip, and I will try to do something for this school as well, since I am one of the founder of the school as well. So tomorrow is Saraswati Puja, and thank you. I know you have a program because I have one press meet. I have to go there next Parsuram Party Palace. If teachers are available, please come and join there. यति भन्दै धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद मलाई चाहिँ बोल्ने मौका दिनु तपाईहरुले र राम्रो सरस्वती माताले सबैलाई शिक्षा दिउन्। तपाई राम्रो पढ्नुहोस्, राम्रो खेल्नुहोस्, सबैले सबैलाई माया गर्नुहोस्, आफूलाई माया गर्नुहोस्, आफ्नो साथीलाई माया गर्नुहोस्, आमा बुवालाई माया गर्नुहोस्, सबैलाई कसैलाई पनि गाली नगर्नुहोस्। जब हामी ज्ञान हुन्छ ध्यान गर्नुहोस्, ध्यानबाट शक्ति आउँछ अनि तपाईलाई जे बन्न मन लाग्छ जीवनमा त्यही गर्न सकिन्छ। एकदम म यो गर्छु भन्नुपर्छ। तपाईलाई भोलि वर्ल्ड कप ओलम्पिकमा म एकदिन ठुलो भएर ओलम्पिकमा गोल्ड मेडल दिन्छु भने तपाईले बिलिभ गर्नु भने त्यही हुन्छ। तपाईलाई ब्रह्माण्डले भगवानले सबै शक्ति दिन्छन्। तपाईलाई होइन म यो देशको राष्ट्रपति बन्छु एक दिन, अथवा म यो देशको म साइन्सको एकदमै ठुलो रकेट अमेरिका गएर चाहिँ नासाको साइन्टिस्ट बन्छु भने त्यही नै हुन्छ। One day you have to believe it. You have to believe it. You have to tell your mind, your subconscious mind, I want to be this one once I grow. It will happen. The nature will help you. God will help you. The universe will help you. Because see, Buddha was not God because he became a Buddha because it is a good karma, good thing, and the people call him God. We can be like a God as well. So you have to believe in your good karma. Okay? Everybody for good karma. So मेरो बुकको नाम चाहिँ मेरो देश प्रेमको देश भन्ने हुनेछ। सबैले के भन्ने भने मेरो देश प्रेमको देश भन्छु। तपाईले फलो गर्नुहोस् जोडले है। लास्ट फर्स्टमा चाहिँ मेरो देश प्रेमको देश भन्ने मेरो बुकको नाम यही हुनेछ। यही बुकको नाम 1 2 3 भन्छ। लास्टमा चाहिँ मेरो अनि हाम्रो देश प्रेमको देश भन्ने ल। सबैले म भन्छु फलो गर्नुहोस् है। मेरो देश प्रेमको देश, मेरो देश प्रेमको देश, हाम्रो देश प्रेमको देश। Thank you, Bal Kalyan. Jai Ho Sabhi. Thank you so much.
In the academic session 2018, those who stood first, second, and third, the name of the students, Deepshika Das stood first with 3.66 GPA. Similarly, Monica Basnet stood second in 3.49 GPA, and Mamta Das, she stood third with 3.26 GPA. Please come on the stage. Mamta, Monica and Deepshika. So, to hand over this prize, I would like to request the principal of this school, Durga ma'am. And similarly from class 8, Chandan Neupani stood first with 3.64, Sneha Mr. stood second with 3.62, and Sabina Raspanchi stood third with 3.61 GPA. Please come on the stage. From class 7, Samridhi Khadka stood second with 3.94 GPA. Samridhi Khadka and Samana Dangal stood third with 3.89 GPA. Similarly from class 5, Nikita Bhatrai first with 3.96 GPA. And Radhika Wagun stood second with 3.95 GPA. And Salina Tamang stood third with 3.9 GPA. Please come on the stage.
Class 8, 9 and 10. So stand up. Class 8, 9 and 10.
Vivek Anural from class 6 stood first with 3.94 GPA. Vivek Anural, please come on the stage. 3.94. Vivek Anural. Supriya Mainali also stood third with 4 GPA. Supriya Mainali, Saurabh Dangal and Supriya Mainali third. Ishan Adhikari first, Agaman Gimire absent, Saurabh Dangal and Supriya Mainali third. From class 1, Melina Taman stood first with 4 GPA. Melina Taman. Monica Sitola stood second with 4 GPA. From class UKG, Ismarika Upreti stood second with 4 GPA. Mitma Rai from LKG, Anushka Bharati stood first with 4 GPA. Anushka Bharati, come on the stage. 260,000. From class nursery, Dipsika Sitola. Dipsika Sitola first with 4 GPA, come on the stage. Ayush Buddha Chatri from class LKG. Ayush Buddha Chatri stood first with 4 GPA. Come on the stage. First. And Salina Tamang is to third with 3.9 GPA. Game begins to them. Game begin. ताली पड़काउने सबैले. Salina third. Securing third position in balloon race from LKG.